What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you a free play-to-earn game that you guys could go ahead and check out. This is very exciting, so watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Rollercoin. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out their website and see for ourselves what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about this one. And then I will show you the actual gameplay, that way you would see and appreciate, what are the really play-to-earn games that I could play in that, and what are the other things that I could do for me to earn more income, like passive income or so. Alright, so it is a free play-to-earn browser-based mining simulator. So guys, since this is the oldest crypto mining game on the market, Rollercoin is boasting a thriving community of over 4.4 million users globally and impressive achievements that includes the mining of 73 BTC. Players can also mine a wide range of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Matic, BNB, Sol, Tron, and LTC, making it a trusted platform for crypto enthusiasts. So if you're new to the crypto industry or the crypto market, this is also a good way for you to know, what are the things that I could do in the crypto space that would earn me money. One is trading, number two is staking, but one thing that has actually boomed throughout the years is the play-to-earn part of crypto. So the Rollercoin experience revolves around two core elements, which are mining power and the reward pool. So players have the opportunity to build and manage their virtual mining empire by acquiring miners, upgrading settings, and optimizing their mining data. The more mining power accumulated, of course, the greater the potential for earning real cryptocurrency rewards. So the dynamic rewards pool offers tangible incentives, and whether it is through the completion of quests, playing mini games, or climbing the leaderboards. Now guys, just a quick FYI for you guys, their play to earn has leaderboards, right? So the more you play, the more you climb up the leaderboards, and they have weekly and they also have grand season, which I will also show that to you right now. So this is their weekly competition, all right? And as you can see, you have 4 days, 10 hours, and 47 minutes for the weekly competition. Now, if you click on the grand competition, guys, you will see that there is a prize of 30,000 tokens, 12 days, 10 hours, and 47 minutes. So it's almost about to end. And what's best about that is once it completes, a new season will start and everybody will start fair. So you will have the chance to climb up the leaderboard and get as much points as you can. That way you could get as much rewards as you can as well. So engagement with Rollercoin community is driven by regular activities, events, and quests that keep the platform lively and exciting. So each season introduces unique items, new rewards, and powerful miners, ensuring fresh challenges for users, which actually will defeat boredom and repetitiveness. So players, users would continuously play in their platform. So mini games like Flappy Rocket and Coin Flip offer fun ways to boost mind power. So with 12 games, each featuring 10 difficulty levels, players can actually earn RLT tokens through the task wall with a chance to compete on a leaderboard for additional rewards. So now let me go ahead and head on straight to the actual gameplay of this one. So once you log in, it will take you here. So this is basically like your dashboard or so, right? On the left side, you have different tabs, or I would say like buttons that you could click. So this is home. So if you click on home, this is the part, all right? So once you click on games, it will take you here where it will show you different games. And as you can see, there are more games that are being created, which will be available very, very soon. So this is not your typical play to earn game. This is a one-stop shop wherein you go and log in. There are a lot of things that you could do, a lot of games that you could play. And you also have your store here, okay? Sales popular, creating a season pass as well. You have the marketplace where you can buy, you can sell. You will also see your my orders in there. Okay, and this is your storage. Let me go ahead and show you my storage. So if you click on inventory right here, okay, it will show you have parts, you have miners, you have racks. These are the miners that I have, and I will show that to you. Or how would you be using that, right? So these are the racks as well. Okay, we could use that here at our home. So once I click on home, I will click on edit right here. Once I click on edit, it will show you these. So I have one rack here. All right, so once you click on add, let's see, you could add like Swedish Miracle Rack or Festive Rack 8. You would see the percentage here. So let's go ahead and click on this one. Okay, now let's click on this. All right, and let's do this. All right, I want to put the rack here, and for this, all right, let's put the rack here. And then once I'm done with that, let me also, I want to put a miner. So let me go ahead and click on edit once more, click on this one, okay, and add, let's do this, 396. All right, let's say put it there, okay, and then put another, let's say this one right here. So you have the rack, also have another rack in there, okay, and then add the miner. All right, so miner, click on this miner. Let's do this. Damn, you have 3 here already. Okay, so put more. Bam. Let's do this and stack up all the miners that we have and put it on our racks. Okay, so we have a lot of miners. Now it's going to add more and more mining power to your account. So see, we're here already. This is gonna be super awesome, guys. All right, we have more slots in there. So 2 more. All right, look at that. Then bam, look at my home right here. It's insane. And now the total power is right here, plus 7.28%. You will see your stats here. All right, now this will definitely boost your mining power. And again, guys, you can go ahead and check them out. I mean, you're not obliged to purchase anything right from the get-go. Check it out, log in, see for yourself, play the games. Let me go ahead and play the game here, right here. I don't know if you have played the Galaxian way back then, but I have played this game when I was young. Like, it's related to this. Like, play it like this. Look at that. See? Bam. You get that. You just spray. Yeah, boy. Let's get that. Yeah, boy. Oh, man. What? All right. So 2 games. So you have like a timer there where you need to finish those, before the time runs out. So let's see this Flappy Rocket. I mean, I played Flappy Birds back then. Before it disappeared. So, whoa. All right. So this is going to be fun. This. Let's see how many I can pass. All right. So you also have the timer right there. Whoa. What? Oh my gosh. What? All right, so at least we got points, right? Now, before it takes you to the games again, these are the other things that you could do, to gain more tokens. All right, so you could collect this as well. All right, like say for example, which one? Like this. When you click on that, you can earn this. So once you click on this, it will take you to another site where, you could generate, or you could scan that and play that game, and then you will earn that reward on your screen. All right, so those are actually the top things that I feel you guys need to know. Okay, so let me show you the task wall. All right, so this is the task wall. You have the leaderboard, you have the payout history, and you also have how it works. So when you're new with Rollercoin, guys, you could head on here and it will take you to where you would be able to know, what are the step-by-step instruction and what I need to do to play this. So you have what is task wall, what kind of tasks are available, yada yada. So you can go ahead and check that one out here on the task wall, and you could see the leaderboard. All right, so the one that I showed you earlier, so you would know what rank you are in, how much effort you need to to give out. You have the points, you have the prize, and all those good stuff. So those are the top things that you can check out. All right, so there are also some articles that you could go ahead and check out. So here in at the bottom part from the left side, all right, you have blog. It will take you directly here where you would see news articles and tutorials about Rollercoin. So if you want to be updated on whatever whatever they are doing, what are the things that you need to know, what are the updates, what are the new things, new stuff that you need to know about Rollercoin. You could head on over to this blogs and get updated with the latest news. All right. So basically, guys, I walked you through the entire website and I showed you the gameplay of Rollercoin. Make sure to go ahead and give it a check out and make sure to stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.